to show you how to do vegan, cruelty-free rainbow nails. This is really easy to do. First color I'm using is Love is the Answer, and you can just use the brush that it comes with and just paint this on the tip. And you can go as far into the nail as you like. I went about, what, a third of the way here, and make sure you cap the tip. And we're going to cure after each color. And the next color I'm using is Prevent Forest Fires, and you can just use any small nail art brush to apply this. And if you're finding that your lines aren't as straight as you like, you can just take a little bit of nail polish remover like this and just wipe away any lines that are going all over the place. And make sure again to cure between each color. The next color I'm using is Save the Bees, and we're just going to apply this down in the same fashion, just a line straight across. So there's really not much more to say about this because I'm going to repeat this same process for like the next 3 colors. So I'm just going to turn up the music and we're going to jam out. And lastly, to top it off, we're going to use a no wipe top coat. But you can also use a wipe top coat. It's totally up to you. Apply that top coat, go ahead and cure, and we are done. These were actually my Pride inspired nails. Love is love, support equality and diversity. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.